Analytics is a data aggregation tool that allows you to look at different levels and compare year by year, for instance, all the data that is already here in Footprint. There are two different versions of it. The first one that you find on the front page, that is for all data that is actually published, meaning that unless you have published your data, you will not find them here. To find the data that is not yet published, we need to go into each chapter. For instance, here, let's have a look at the combustion chapter. Then up on the top right, you will find the analytics. When you click here, you will find the combustion section for this specific field. Then you can select year. Let's do 2022. You select field, facility. Let's do fuel. What type of source that this is, like turbines and flare, for instance. And then do fuel consumption, diesel consumption, and add CO2 emissions as well. That's well and good. Let's add some totals. So you will see the total emission for this year for you to either download to Excel here, or you can create this as a favorite to check later. Then when you create a favorite here, let's call this combustion. And then if you click on share, that will be available to that kind of favorite that you create now will be available for all the other employees in your company as well. Click share and then add. Then you will have that favorite up here. So if we go back to another field, like the first one we created a favorite for was this. Let's do this one, for instance. Click up here, analytics, and then rather to specify all these variables that we did previously, we now have a favorite, combustion. Then you will see the total fuel consumption and see that we have not yet configured the CO2 emissions for this one. Good luck!